County Fermanagh, Ireland, famous for two things. One is the saintly monks who lived a life of quiet learning in the famous towers and monasteries of Lough Erne. The other thing they're famous for is rain. Rain in all its many forms. Light rain, heavy rain, even in-betweeny rain. The soft rain of summer days, the damp rain of summer days. Cold rain, mild rain, lashing rain, but all the time, rain. So they took this fabled Fermanagh rain and made it into something. Something not rain. They added some hops, barley, bit of this and that, just to sort of kill the taste of the rain. And it ended up as something the world calls beer. Then they gave it a name that reflects the ancient heritage of the famous monks in many islands. Inishmacsaint, the island of the saint. Inishmacsaint Fermanagh beer. Made from barley, hops, and other stuff too, but made mostly of fine Fermanagh rain.